So now we will move to Swayam portal. So first of all, you have to write Swayam on Google search engine. After that, the search result will appear like this, and you have to click on the first option, that is swayam.gov.in. So after clicking this option, this site will be opened. So there are different type of the options in this: about Swayam, all courses, national coordinators, local chapters. So there are different type of the courses which are written here. These are Arpit courses also. Similarly, Swayam courses in regional languages also. So this is the website of Swayam. So after that, what you have to do this, you have to register yourself. So for registering, we have to click on register. After this, there will be sign in option and sign up option also. अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सो इन दैट सिचुएशन यू हैव टू साइन अप, अदरवाइज you have to sign in. So we are using it for the first time, so accordingly we will click here because we don't have an account, so we have to sign up now. So after clicking this page will appear. So you have to write your username, your password, and you have to confirm it. After that, your email ID. So accordingly there will be different other options also in the next page, and you have to fulfill those. There will be a verification code that will be sent on your email ID. So there are different type of the courses which we can choose. So we will be clicking on all courses. So under all courses there will be different type of the courses, and it will be starting from school education to postgraduate. So here is the course catalog. You can see the catalog also, and accordingly you can choose the course. For example, there are different type of the courses provided by AICTE, ARPIT, architecture, education, engineering and technology, humanities, law, management, mathematics. Similarly, school education also. So if you want to choose all, so it will display all type of the courses. It will include school education, similarly higher education also. So these are different type of the courses which are provided under Swayam platform. So there are some courses which are by NIOS, you can see here. These are senior secondary accountancy, for example, library information science, biology, business studies, sociologies. So you can refine your search also. So for example, I want to go for management and commerce. So there are different type of the courses. You can see all the courses under management and commerce. Similarly, only commerce also and only management also. So I will be looking at all courses which are coming under this category. So under this category, under management and commerce, there are different type of the courses related to accountancy, business studies. There are some courses which are for school education, some are for higher education also. For example, these are the courses for commerce. If I would like to go for management, these are also provided. So for example, AICTE also providing on our secondary education, business and business studies, economics. So there are two tabs: upcoming, enrollment is open, and ongoing. Upcoming means the enrollment is right now open, so you can enroll for these courses. Similarly, there are certain type of the courses which are ongoing and the enrollment is closed, so we can't go for that, we can't enroll ourselves for those courses. So we have to see the upcoming for which enrollment is open. So for example, we are selecting this course, our course, which is provided by AICT. So here duration is also written. So this course that is on R, it is by Professor Kanan Mudgalia. He is the principal investigator of spoken tutorial project and he belongs to Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. So इस कोर्स के अंदर 22 ऑडियो वीडियो स्पोकन ट्यूटोरियल्स इंक्लूड हैं, जिसमें कि आप आर लर्न कर सकते हो. आर, व्हाट इज़ आर? आर इज़ ए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. So there are different type of the steps which are shown here. How we will install R in our laptop. So different steps are given here. The procedure is given step by step. So here data is given. There are 5,745 learners who are enrolled for this course, and if you want to join, so you will be clicking on join the course. So when you will join this course, so you can enroll yourself. So by clicking on join, that means you are enrolled. So after enrolling in any type of the course, this will be your dashboard. So there will be different type of the options available. So this is your profile, your ID, and different other options are also provided. So you have to watch different type of the tutorial forms and side by side learning method before starting this course. And you want to ask any type of the question, then you can ask it. So accordingly, this video is provided because you are starting this course for the first time. So accordingly, you have to watch this.
In this tutorial, we will learn the following. We will learn what is meant by the side-by-side method. We will find out how the side-by-side method helps learn one command at a time. We will learn how one can learn slowly or fast using spoken tutorials. We will learn where the required material for a spoken tutorial is available. We will learn how not to use spoken tutorials. We also have a message for workshop organizers. Side-by-side method is a technique that we have developed at IIT Bombay to help you learn a software by yourself, even if there is no expert to guide you. How can you do this? By learning one command
So after clicking on progress, you will come to know about the progress of the course, on which date you enrolled, your email ID, your name, etc. Your assessment scores will also be there after your assessment. So there will be course outline also, the basic level, what they will include in the basic level. So these are the contents which are provided under basic level, relating to introduction to R script, R studio and all that. For example, we are going to the basics of R, so there will be video lectures of it and you can watch this video lecture. So step by step guidelines will be provided. Similarly, if you want to ask any type of the question, you have any query, so you can ask a question also. So you have to click ask a question. So there will be a discussion forum. So in discussion forum, there will be different type of the question arised by the participants, and these will be responded by the principal investigator. For example, related to your assignment submission, you have any type of the query, so you can ask this. For example, someone has asked what is the procedure to submit the assignment. So accordingly, if you want to ask any question related to the certificates and different type of the other issue, so you can ask in this forum. So after completing this course, there will be assessment, and after assessment your course will be completed. So if there is any type of the announcement related to your assessment, so accordingly it will come under announcement. So in your dashboard you will get different type of the notification about the announcements also. So this was all about informal learning under SWAYAM platform. So in our next lecture we will be discussing about SWAYAM journey under formal learning, where different type of the credits will also be provided to the student, and these will be according to the UGC credit framework for online learning course through SWAYAM regulation 2016, and it will be discussed in our further lecture.